well as in treasure. That's character. Romans the 5th chapter says this, and not only so, but we glory in tribulation, also knowing that tribulation worketh patience. The first thing we have to understand when it comes down to walking and rolling with the Lord is that this hope that we have is designed for us to conquer tribulation. How do I conquer tribulation? Well, I don't conquer tribulation by fighting it. I conquer tribulation by resting in the Lord. How do I rest in the Lord? I rest in the Lord by what the Lord has spoken to me. And whatever he has spoken to me, he has shown me the end. He never shows you what you got to go through to get what he had, but he will show you the end. Because he knows if he show you what you got to go through to get to what he has for you in the end, you'll quit. So he says here, first thing we need to understand, the purpose of tribulation is designed to help you develop patience. Why? Because I don't know when the Lord is coming back. And if you don't learn how to wait on the Lord, you're going to find yourself in a whole lot of situations, now listen to me, that you have made. Why? Because you're the one calling the shot.